ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 47 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 3. ಸಾಮೀಪೀತರಸಭಂಗ ಸಂಗತ ಕ್ರೋಧಭಾರ ಪರಿಭೂತ ಚೇತಸಾ ಮಂಥದಂಡಮುಪಗೃಹ್ಯ ಪಾಟಿತಂ ಹಂತದೇವ ದಧಿಭಾಜನಂ ತ್ವಯಾ. Word by word meaning. He Deva, O effulgent one. Samipita rasabhanga sangata krodhabara paribhuta chetasa. Sami half, Pita drunk, Rasa joy, Bhanga interruption, Sangata resulting from, Krodhabara intense anger, Paribhuta overcome, Chetaha mind. With thy mind overcome by intense anger as a result of interruption of the joy felt after having partly drunk the milk, Tvaya by thee. Manthadandam the churning rod, Upagruhya taking up, Dadhi bhajanam the curd pot, Patitam was broken, Hanta oh. Full meaning. O effulgent one, in great anger at the pleasure of drinking milk being interrupted in the middle, thou didst take up the churning rod and break the curd pot. Om Tat Sat.